Need to build videos with 2 or 3 clicks. Simple for phones, for YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. We have it all. It's very easy to use, the Worldprofit Video Creator. I built this so that we could finally build videos that would normally take hours and so many things to learn that you just walk away. But with Worldprofit's Video Creator, as you'll see in this demo, this is awesome, easy to use tool, and I'm going to take you right through it. The best part is once you've logged in, you've gone to Worldprofit, logged into your member area, just click on the AI right up here on the top menu, Video Creator Studios right up the top. That'll take you into here. You log in with Google or Apple, and then you're all set. First thing you want to do is create a video. I mean, there's nothing else to do in here. You can see that your video gallery will build as you create new videos, but let's click in and let's get started. You get credits. You have to purchase credits. You can buy different packages of credits that we have available. I might as well click here and show you what we have. You can purchase credits, $10, $25, or $50. You can make probably 20 videos with the 25, 8 videos with the 10. That's a rough estimate, but pretty close. We're not making big, long videos for hours. Usually the videos are probably, 2 minutes or less, maybe 3. Perfect for things like TikTok and Reels and stuff like that. So you can use avatars and everything. You'll see. This is pretty cool. So the way it starts is, when I'm building a video, I always want to build a video for either some concept that I'm trying to teach somebody about. It could be, how to make money online, how to use Safeless, things like that. Or you could use an affiliate URL, and that's my favorite one because then you don't have to think. You just put the URL in for your affiliate program and let the AI do the work. Let the AI go to the site. What we'll do is we use a special system to go in and look at the site, grab the wording, get an understanding of what the site is about. It'll feed it to the AI and it will generate. Okay, so we're going to go, just as an example, this is just the landing page. This could be your affiliate page. We want to do the video style now. You've got 3 styles. You can have avatar only. That'd be just a person talking, just like me. If you look at my little circle here, hi, this is, the new site and all this stuff about it. You can have a landscape, portrait, so you can see down here what it's going to look like. This would be for phone, which is good for TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts. You can go square for Instagram or your Facebook feed, or of course landscape, which is the wide one for YouTube. Put it on your website, that kind of thing. You can go with slides and avatar. So this is cool because you're going to have a slide behind, right? So you'd have kind of like what I'm doing right now, but the slides would be static and then they would move as the avatar speaks. And then you could have voice only. Those are pretty common on when you go with things like having a voice only, one background, and for the phone. Okay, so things like that. So you can play around with these things. Slides and avatar look pretty good on the phone. Let's just do the landscape to make it easy. And then I'm just gonna do 2 slides just to keep the process a little easier. You can go up to 5 slides, which is longer video, 2 to 3 minutes. It's up to you. So I'd pick about 2 slides. But again, when you're really doing this, I would recommend the first time you go with maybe 1 slide and just learn how the system works, see what you like, things like that. So you generate the script and you just wait. And this is where it's going to the site right now. It's grabbing the information about the site and it's creating. And again, it's hands off. So far, you don't have to have any video skills at all. Because this is my site, I have my own avatar, which I've created. So you see, I can see my own voice up here and everything like that. So what it's doing is it's going through all the different avatars and it's going to pull those from the site. Now there are a lot. There's 1,200 avatars. Like that's a lot of avatars. So you can go through and you can kind of see what's going on and pick one. I prefer, just keeping the one where you just see maybe this part, like they're facing you. That's the way I would do it. And you can have female, male. As soon as you click on the female, you will see Gala and the voice will be checked in. Then you can click here and you can listen to the voice first. Okay, so let's just make this easy. There it is, and I'm going to review. And this is where we're going to build your slides and your video title. So everything is all done. Like, look how professional this is. We've got everything here. You can edit the script, and as you edit, it will change down here. And you can also edit these, or you can regenerate previews, or you can type in your own, and it will generate everything. It's going to give you an estimated cost. I'm an admin, so there's no cost for me, but you might be looking at, it might say 2 credits or 1 credit, that kind of thing. Okay, so now we want to generate the previews because we have slide backgrounds, but we want to generate previews here. And it's going to create the 2 slides for us. And that's when the fun begins, because then you can make changes to the slides, and you'll see. So we're using some of the most advanced tools to do the generation of the slides and the generation of the script. So you can imagine you're going to have the avatar doing everything and going. And I'm not going to generate the whole video. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you an example video, but I just wanted to take you through this part of it because this is the only part where you really need the help. Once you're done this, you're just clicking a button and creating the video. Okay, so Meet Sophia, that's what that page is all about. And you can see, even read it, Meet Sophia, the AI, and that goes on. Now you can make changes to this you can talk and change this script, or sorry, you can change the slide by talking to it. And you can also change this script here. You can regenerate the whole thing if you want. Okay, so there you go. Really professional slides. These slides are really cool. And then we go. So when you generate the video, it's actually going to take anywhere from usually about 5 minutes on. You can leave the page if you want, and then you can go check things out as time goes on. It usually takes about 5 to 7, 8 minutes to generate a video. And if you have 5 slides, it might take 10 minutes. But you don't have to sit there. I would just recommend you leave the page alone, go somewhere else and do something in another tab, and then check back 5, 10 minutes. Some of the videos, for example, like the one that I just did, would look like this. And it comes up really nice. You can download the video, and that's when you can go to the different sites like YouTube, LinkedIn, and things like that, and paste your videos. Of course, we use opus.clip, so opis.clip, C-L-I-P. I really like that. It's under Cool Tools here under Biz Builders. You could just click on Cool Tools and you can find it and sign up. It's great because then you take your downloaded video and it'll do all the producing for you. It'll send it to YouTube if you want. It'll send it to LinkedIn, everywhere. And it's a marvelous piece of software for this. Okay, so again, your phone looking ones, things like that, are all in here. Like a 9:16 is like a phone one, so it comes up like this, and of course it'll shrink down to the phone. Looks great. You can even see, the movement really well. I'm hearing the sound. You might not hear it on my speaker. I'm not sure. It's just fantastic. You can see it does not look fake at all. Like, I can't tell that there's an avatar. I mean, I'm not an avatar, but boy, I've created avatars of myself that look pretty good. And I can't even tell. So if you have any problems or there are any issues, you can first check the help file out. It's very detailed. It goes through everything. Or fill out a support ticket and we'll be happy to get back to you. I'm very happy to say, though, that even without this demo video, there have been many videos created and they are fantastic. I'm seeing them on Facebook, especially. And I haven't seen any except my own come up on TikTok, but I'm finding TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts are awesome, especially for the phone ones. So have fun and enjoy, and thank you very much.